I made this bihon last night. What do you think about the bihon, Mom? I've been filming here. Good morning, guys. Ano ba? Ano bang ginagawa ko? Oh, I was doing laundry. And there's more laundry. Ano to? What? What is it? What is it? Mom, we're going to eat early. We're going to eat early.
Okay.
Because you don't eat lunch.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, because it's already like almost 6 o'clock. Hi, Rox. I am burgering. I'm cooking burger, guys, for dinner. So, yun lang. At saka yung cheese para pag maluto na ilagay ko sa taas. Yung matanda, guys, hindi ko makain ng lunch. So, kailangan maaga. And that, you know, not hungry. Probably she's hungry already. Umuusok na siya, guys. Umuusok. Yeah. Hi guys, we're having dinner. We have a burger. We don't have any, the burger we don't have any onion because I forgot to buy onion. So, and then bihon, that's what we have. You see Roxy, Mom? Did you see Roxy?
No, I haven't.
Oh, it's just right there in the edge.
Oh, she's right there? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Crazy dog. I made this bihon last night. What do you think about the bihon, Mom?
It's good.
I like this bihon. Burger is so juicy.
Oh, the other dog is over there right by the fence.
Where?
Just going in.
Well, don't.
That's the dog.
Yeah. Don't look at it because if the dog saw them, they're gonna go banachi.
Yeah, I'm surprised this one needs it. Get down.
Yeah.
Get
Roxy down.
Thank you.
Ashley is there. You don't see Ashley? Come here. Look, come here. Don't go. Upo muna ako dito guys kasi ano, it's maganda naman dito. Oh, may araw doon oh. Maganda dito. You cannot eat that. No. Don't eat that. Ay nako, Roxy. This saw something in there. Let me see. Is the bunny hiding? Okay, let's go. This is the side of the house, guys. That's where I'm sitting right there. Yeah, right, Rox? Hey, what are you doing? Look at my thing, guys. My basil is growing fat. Yeah, that's my basil. And I transfer some of my spicy pepper right here. They're growing quicker over here compared to what I planted in there. What is that, Rox? I know she's thirsty. Missed it too. Oh my god, you're so thirsty. Oh my lordy. When are you going to stop? Okay, Misty's turn. Okay, Misty's turn. I'm here, guys. Every time I come here, kailangan kong linisin yung table na yan. I think Tammy's still in bed.
Hey, this is Ben. Hi, Ben.
Hi.
Diving.
Han.
Dive. Can't go diving out there alone. Just in the water.
You're just sleeping, my baby. Why you don't turn the air conditioning?
Where to?
You don't need it? Or you went down already?
Hey, Ben, you know any place
Huh?
Goliath drop?
Oh, you did down already this morning? No.
Goliath drop it is.
Okay, I'm gonna make you coffee, okay?
You want the chocolate pods in towards the back.
What?
The chocolate pods are towards the back of the thing.
Okay. I'm not gonna bring the coffee here.
Oh, no.
Okay. It's so hot. Anyway, guys, I don't know if I said good morning. Good morning, guys. Are you sure you don't want a breaky? I know my... Why is this not ready? Auto sit off?
With the camera on.
Of course.
I look like crap.
You are not. It's just a good-looking monkey. You're Misty's father, hon. What is this? The thing, hon? This is really weird. Coffee cup, hon. This thing. It's not. It's just really pouch, small one.
That's all you need. These things are just.
Yeah, I know, but it doesn't poke anything. What is that?
It doesn't need to. It's a screen. Right.
Na-bored na ako dito, guys. I kind of bored, guys. Tommy's still in the shower, guys. Yeah, nandun pa sa shower yung isa. Uy, nako. Oh my God, it's really hot. Tommy have to change the chair position. I miss Taco Bells.
Oh, you finally put a phone wire in here.
Of course. You know your wife. Always have something ready. Everything is ready. You're the only one that's not ready. It's so hot, hon.
Tell me about it.
Because you don't turn it that to every...
I know it.
where we're going, so that's why. Anyway, guys, I will see you later, guys. He's busy with his freaking GPS. Bye. Okay, whatever. So every light have a camera? Or you
Not every light. That's why they only show you the red light cameras. They don't show you every red light.
Okay.
They only show you where there's a camera.
broken by the words that you say. The voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be?
It's nice, oh. Pag may mga pera, wala naman tayong pera. Nung bata ako, guys, wala akong mga ganito, mga Barbie. Talagang wala. Gaganda nila, oh. Mas maganda to, oh, kaysa dito. Guys, we're supposedly be leaving soon, but Tommy is playing, guys. Look at us playing with my game to beat what I've been stuck for days. All Clementines, 4 rides.
4
Rides.
How many did you do? Only 2?
2.
Oh, I want to do 2 more.
It's so freaking hot here, guys. So look at that. I ponytail my hair. Hi guys, I don't know you can hear the air easy because we are leaving soon, but Tom is still playing with my freaking cell phone, the game. And yeah, my mother-in-law decided to ride with Tommy, which is good because I can listen music loud. Yeah, we're gonna go home because I'm worried about the dogs and the cats. The air conditioning is off and it's really hot already. And Tommy decided to bring the cat tower, the white one in the living room in this house. If you guys seen it, I'm happy that the cat have something over there, guys. I bring the vacuum that I can clean those cat, you know, house. And yeah, that's it.
That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the ways. Oh, let me show you.
Oh God, my rug, oi! Hold on, Han. Hobbs missed the tower.
Oh, Dimples too. Dimples went on one level, I was on the other level.
Yeah. No jumping up there, bag, huh? Telling you, Han, they missed the tower. I need to clean it properly. Look at the bug. The bug is, she never go in that thing, Han.
Yeah.
Now you're overlap, Hobbs. You're too big in that now. Yes, bug. Cute is this. And look at my big dimple lurch. Hi, big dimple lurch. You cannot go down them. You know where to go down them. You're smart. Look, he's trying to go down to the second thing. Whatever, second floor. She doesn't know how to go down. Look at your fat dimple lurch. It's okay. It's okay. Mama loves you. That's it.
What? Good girl.
Look at that too.
Big girl.
Daddy call you, not me.
I call the big girl. Come here, Rox.
Call her.
Rox, come here.
You're gonna break my necklace sooner or later. Cheese? Why do you need cheese? There's a lot of cheese here.
I'm gonna make an omelet with cheese and video that and show it burnt. I'll leave it up.
You won't
I'll make sure
burn
to burn it
omelette,
all
huh?
over the pan. What? Just cheese?
Omelette you won't burn.
Well, cheese. Yeah, but cheese. I'll let the cheese will heat up and melt that. I'll let the cheese burn.
Look at these two cats. They're on top of everybody. Everybody. Love it, baby. You do? Oh my God. Hi, Bog. Dimple's face is so pretty. Right, Dimps? You're so pretty, Dimplers. Be careful. Be careful. Look at this, guys. Do you want me to move the towel? Where? Where do you think I'm gonna move the tower, my love? Tingin na lang ako. Kasi, yeah, I cleaned here the other day. Yeah, I was cleaning the other day. That was last week actually. Right here. I think I told you. Let me show you guys. Gusto kong i-trim ito kasi sobra ng, ano, punta tayo dito, tignan nyo, dami ng bunga nitong bulaklak, itong kahoy na to. So ito yan, dami ano, mabango siya naman, sobrang bango. Uy, maraming aninipot doon oh. Tignan nyo guys ha, sobrang dami ng bulak, as in pangatlong beses ko na to nilinis guys. Mabilis tumubo, they grow really fast. So tignan nyo doon oh. Maganda yung langit, di ba? Dito yung sa gilid. May nakikita kayong ano dito. Ito yung air conditioning namin, guys. Doon ko nakita yung snake ay nung bago pa lang ako dito. Yung langit to sobrang ganda, guys. No? May helicopter doon, I don't know. Helicopter. It's the moon. Helicopter. Hi.
Hey, Hannah, I thought you were upstairs.
No. Clark, it the dog. I've been filming here. Tignan nyo guys. Spraying the thing. That person is spraying the fruit. Tignan nyo. Nag-spray siya guys. Did you hear the people spray already our fruits? Huh? I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow.
Hey guys.
Ready, and the dog also drives. So Tommy is like, you know, asking if it's going to happen. Then
No eyeliner either.